Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy meme coins right here on DEX Screener. So the first thing that we need to do is right here log in with your Google account, and then after that we go right here to a meme coin. So let's search for a meme coin. Let's use, I don't know, buffer. Fine. Then what we're going to do right here is you see here all the information about this coin, and then right here in the bottom you see right here buy and sell. So if you click right here on buy, he's telling us for how much we want to buy. We can create right here a slippage, and he is telling us that we need to connect a wallet because I logged in with my account, but I don't link a wallet account right here to DEX Screener. So we click right here on connect wallet. Click on Phantom, then log in with my Phantom wallet. There we have it. Then we do connect, then we do close. And then right now we can buy it from here. But I don't have any money standing on my Phantom wallet account. So that is why this buy option is not greener, but a little bit more yellow. But once you have money standing on your wallet, you can click right here on buy and buy yourselves a meme coin. So this is how you can buy meme coins right here on DEX Screener. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.